So today I will discuss about how to balance chemical equation. So you can see here a reaction. Silver is react with hydrogen sulfide and produce that elements. So firstly you need to do separate the element. First one is metal, silver, hydrogen and sulfur, and here I will separate that elements of the product, silver, hydrogen and sulfur. All we have to do is the make ratio of them. So here you can see 1 mole silver is react with hydrogen sulfide. So 1 mole is here, hydrogen is 2 mole and sulfur is 1 mole. And also here silver is 2 mole, hydrogen is 2 mole, sulfur is 1 mole. So you can see here hydrogen and sulfur are similar or equivalent. So all we have dissimilar is 1 mole silver and here 2 mole silver. So if I multiply it by 2, so put that 2 here. I repeat, put to the coefficient point, do not put here. It will be a misconception that put the 2 here. So you must put 2 here at the coefficient point, and then you see that we have 2 mole silver and 2 mole silver here, and all are balanced. So first thing you need to know, separate the elements of the reaction like that, and then make the ratio of them like that, and then identify which one is less and which one is more and multiply by some numbers and you will get the balance chemical. So here you can see that another reaction, potassium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide and make that product. So first things you need to know that separate that elements potassium, oxygen, hydrogen and carbon and make the ratio of production. So here I put that potassium, oxygen, hydrogen and carbon, and so we know that here 1 mole potassium, 1 here and 2 here, so 3 mole oxygen, hydrogen is 1 mole, carbon is 1 mole, and here potassium is 2 mole, oxygen is 3 here and 1 here, so 4 oxygen, hydrogen is 2 and carbon is 1. So if we count that metal and multiply by 2 and put that coefficient 2 here, we will get that equation balanced. You can see here that 3 is replaced by 4 because 2 oxygen and 2 oxygen, so it is 4, and here is also 4. Hydrogen is 2 here and 2 here, so it is also balanced, and carbon is 1 mole here 1 mole and here is 1 mole, so it is balanced equation. So thus you can use that way by separating that elements and make the equation balanced. So here you can see another reaction, silicon dioxide reacts with carbon and produce silicon carbide and carbon monoxide. Now let put that coefficient A, B, C and D. You can let X, Y, Z anything you want and separate that element silicon, oxygen and carbon. You may see that silicon, oxygen and carbon is reacts and produce that kind of production. So first thing you need to know that 1 mole silicon reacts with that's carbon, so 1A equal to 1C, product is silicon is C mole, so A equal to C. For oxygen 2 cross A, twice A and produced 1 cross D equal to D, that's mean 2A equal to D. For carbon, B mole carbon reacts with 1 cross C, C mole plus 1 cross D, D mole carbon, so B equal to C plus D. Now let any kind of value like C is equal to 1 or A equal to 1, you can also let D is equal to 1, you can anything put on that value and determine that value. A is equal to 1 I let and get C is equal to 1, D is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. This value will be put on that equation, and we will find silicon dioxide 3 mole carbon and 1 mole silicon carbide and 2 mole carbon monoxide. This is the balanced equation. So this is the another way to find any kind of chemical equation balanced. So which one is better, first one or second one? I hope first one is for easy equation, and first one is just separate that element and get the ratio of that reactant and product. So then put that value to reactant and production, and you will find that way to balance equation. And the second one is that separate and let coefficient a b c d and get the value of coefficient. So I hope the second one is better because it is applied for any kind of difficult equation you will find. And if you think you need to find any difficult equations, you just apply that second one because it will be easy for you, and but it will take times. And this is my favorite way to find that chemical equation balanced. Which one is better for you? Please let me comment below. And if you cannot find any kind of balance equation solution, please comment below. I will help you. I hope so. And if you are watching from YouTube, please subscribe my channel and like that video. Thank you so much for